This topic is about MRMC approach, marginal revenue, marginal cost approach. According to this approach, producer's equilibrium refers to stage of that output level at which MC is equal to MR and MC is greater than MR after MC is equal to MR output level. So these are the two conditions of MRMC approach. These two conditions need to be satisfied for a producer to be at equilibrium. पहला condition क्या है? MC is equal to MR. As long as MC is less than MR, it is profitable for the producer to go on producing more as it adds to its profit. जब तक मार्जिनल कॉस्ट मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू से कम रहेगा तब तक प्रोड्यूसर को फ़ायदा होगा इफ़ ही गोज़ ऑन प्रोड्यूसिंग मोर. ही स्टॉप्स प्रोड्यूसिंग मोर ओनली व्हेन MC becomes equal to MR. Now MC is greater than MR after MC is equal to MR output level. This is the second condition which need to be satisfied for a producer to be at equilibrium. इस डायग्राम में हम देख रहे हैं कि there are two output levels. One is OQ1, another is OQ, at which the marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost at 2 points, at point R and at point K. तो पहला कंडीशन जो हम देख रहे हैं दोनों पॉइंट में सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. MC is equal to MR at point R, MC is equal to MR also at point K. लेकिन अब ये देखना है कि कौन से पॉइंट में सेकेंड कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. तो MC शुड बी ग्रेटर देन MR आफ्टर MC इज इक्वल टू MR आउटपुट लेवल. तो ये पहले में हम देख रहे हैं कि MC ये MR लाइन के नीचे हो जा रहा है, तो मतलब कि मार्जिनल कॉस्ट डिक्रीज हो रहा है. तो ये पॉइंट इक्विलिब्रियम का नहीं हो सकता. दैट मीन्स OQ1 cannot be the equilibrium point. Now at point Q, OQ level of output here, or you can say at point K, MR is equal to MQ here also, but marginal cost is rising. This is what the second point tells, that MC is greater than MR after MC is equal to output after MC is equal to MR output level. So both the conditions are satisfied at point K or at OQ level of output. So at this stage the producer is at equilibrium. Now in a schedule it has been explained here. Q is denoted for output, P for price, TR total revenue is price into quantity, that is 1 into 12 is 12, 2 into 12 24, 3 into 12 36, 4 into 12 48, 5 into 12 60, 6 into 12 is 72. And the total cost is like this. It is rising throughout. But at output of 1 unit the total cost is 13, then 25, 34, 42, 54, 68. So this is the total cost. Now marginal revenue, how it is calculated, it is the difference in TR. First MR will be the same as TR. The second one is 24 minus 12, that is 12. 36 minus 24, 12. 46 minus 38, 12. 60 minus 48, 12. 72 minus 60, that is 12. Marginal cost, we can see it is like this. At the first stage it is 13. So it is the difference in the total cost. First point is the same and the second one is 25 minus 13, that is 12. 34 minus 25, 9. 42 minus 34, 8. 54 minus 42, 12. 68 minus 54, 14. Now we can see that at 2 points, at when the output is 2 units, that time also we find that MR is equal to MC, and here at 5 units of output also we find that MR is equal to MC. But now we had to find out that which is the stage when the producer is at equilibrium. So as the second condition says that MC should be greater than MR after MC इज इक्वल टू MR. तो यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि जब MC इज इक्वल टू MR यहाँ भी है यहाँ पे भी है, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या है कि MC फॉल हो रहा है, तो ये इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट नहीं हो सकता. सो 2 यूनिट्स कैन नॉट बी द इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट फॉर द प्रोड्यूसर. बट at 5 units we find that immediately after this the marginal cost is rising. That satisfies the second condition of MRMC approach. So the producer is at equilibrium at 5 units of output. Now it is explained here. MC is equal to MR condition is satisfied at both levels of 2 units and 5 units, but the second condition MC becomes greater than MR is satisfied only at 5 units of output. Therefore, producer's equilibrium is satisfied only at 5 units of output. Now the explanation of the diagram. Output is shown on the x-axis. Then both AR and MR curves are straight line parallel to x-axis. MC curve is U-shaped. So we can see AR, MR, these are, that is a horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis, and MC curve is U-shaped. Producer's equilibrium is determined at OQ level of output corresponding to point K because MC is equal to MR and MC is greater than MR after MC is equal to MR output level. तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं ये वाला जो कर्व है ये नीचे जा रहा है MR कर्व के, इसलिए ये इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज at this point the marginal cost is decreasing. लेकिन the second condition says that MC curve should be greater than MR. तो जहाँ ये कर्व इस पॉइंट के ऊपर जा रहा है मतलब ग्रेटर हो जा रहा है, तो OQ level is the point of equilibrium for the producer. Now again it has been repeated. Although MC is equal to MR is also satisfied at point R, but it is not the point of equilibrium as it satisfies only the first condition, that is MC is equal to MR. So producer will be at equilibrium at point K when both the conditions are satisfied. At this point the producer will be at equilibrium. Thank you.